What's up, YouTube? Today is Lunar New Year, guys. So you know, I think I'll be posting it on Lunar New Year. Well, no, I'm recording it on Lunar New Year, so I think I'm gonna post it tonight. Yeah, there you go. That's what I meant to say. I'm gonna be posting it tonight. You know, even if you don't celebrate Lunar New Year, shit, just have like a beautiful Wednesday. You know, it's a little foggy today. It isn't. Shh, damn. It's okay, baby. But it's not the most beautiful day out today. But I'm gonna pick up my homeboy today from school. How do you guys feel about the rain? I like the rain, you know what I mean? It's like the sun isn't beaming down on you. It's not raining anymore, but it was pouring. But I'm gonna pick my boy up from school. I mean, yeah, that's really it. Kind of skipped school today, but you know, I can't leave my boy hanging, right? I gotta pick him up. There's gonna be hella traffic. So it's like there's gonna be a lot of eyes on me, but you know, it's okay, I guess. GoPro catch that, guys? Did y'all catch the swing? This light always takes forever. I was taking my brother to the airport. What was it? This last Saturday. I took him to the airport last Saturday. Bro, we were just sitting here. It's like 5 in the morning, dude. We're just chilling here, bro. No car there, no car over there, and we're just stuck at this light. Like that has like 3 minutes, bro. We're just chilling here. Nightmare, dude. And we were running late, and I missed an exit later on, and I had to loop back, bro. It was tragic, bro. The GPS lied to me, bro. Low-key, it was my fault, but the GPS did lie to me. But somebody did comment that they run cross country and they like see my car. Like, I think it's kind of cool, you know what I mean? Y'all honking at me, bro? What did I do? Why you say fuck me?
Nelly fuck 50. I'm like, what do you say fuck me for? I'm gonna have to go to 2 school zones. This
school zone 1. It's the first one. I feel like nobody really goes to this school, you know, like I never see anybody leaving this school. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but I just never see them. But my gym guys, Anytime Fitness, I've been slacking lately, I'm not gonna lie. I've been slacking. I've been eating more than I've been hitting the gym. Oh man, freaking hella hard. I hate speeding down this road. You know, I'll go 50 here. Speed limit's 40, but I'll go 50 around here. Once you see this sign, bro, look, right after the sign, you start going down the hill. Normally there's a cop. I haven't seen him in a while, but normally there's a cop down there, bro. It's the motorcycle ones, bro. You know how they be, bro. He's standing with his gun, bro. He's playing COD, bro. A little ray gun, bro. That guy's pulled out hella far. I don't know what he's on, but hey, it's cool. Right here, bro, just cruise. As you see, it's very foggy today. Very foggy. Guys, I need your help, right? When I'm driving in the rain like this, like the windows are up like this for a little bit, these windows fog up. I don't know what to do. You know, I'll have the defrost on max, bro, and it'll do nothing. So I don't know. I'm really out of like, I'm out of ideas. I know there's like it's like a rain X defog or something, like anti-fog or something. But I'm like, I don't know, like, what should I do? Am I late? I'm a little late. It's alright. It's alright. I also hate air fresheners. They die in like 3 days. I don't know. They don't last. Traffic's already started, man. Dun, dun, dun. I fucking hate this sound, bro. Why are the roads like that here? Does anybody know, guys? Alright, it's one school out. What time is it? 3 minutes, bro. I got 3 minutes to turn in. Oh, not yet, but I don't think I'm late. I think I'm good. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. It's cool though. Ah. Guys, which shoes do you guys like to drive in? My Birks, they're elite, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Feel great. You know, I can feel the pedals really nice. They also grip pretty well. TRD Pro. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this is AIDS. This is pure cancer, bro. Oh, what's up? What's up, guys? Look, see, it's fogging up. I don't know what to do, guys. Honestly, bro. Check out my boy. It's kind of awkward, bro. I don't got music, but I can't turn music on. Crack the windows, you know. Cause look, if I crack the windows, they defog. So I don't know, guys. I need new wipers. Fuck, bro. Guys, I'm buying this soon. You know, I'm gonna use my red envelope money. Buy that. Maybe buy door cards and speakers. I really gotta see if it's worth it. The bell just rung. Everybody's about to start pulling out. And then the line's gonna start moving.
A few moments later.
Is it my turn? Is it my turn? Oh, it is. That's the principal, guys, Mr. Creel. Guys, do we see Gabriel? I think he sees me. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Fuck it, let's go.
Bro, imagine playing tennis, bro.
In the rain?
The rain, bro. Like on your free time and you're all fucking.
That's David. Bro, I haven't been back here in so long.
Me neither, yo. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god.